Put cooking oil in a big wok and keep it medium to low heat. Add sliced onion and mix with oil. Add whole spices and fry them, stirring often until uniformly light brown onions. Don't burn them as they leave a bitter taste. Add garlic paste and saute for 1 minute. Add ginger paste and saute for 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw smell disappears. Add green chili paste and cook for 1 minute. Now add chicken and fry it until it turns to white. Cover with lid for up to 5 minutes. Remove the lid. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, chili flakes, salt, tomatoes, yogurt, and dry plum. Mix it well and cook for 5 minutes on medium to high flame. Now cover the lid for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Remove the lid. Tomatoes have softened and chicken has released water. Now increase the heat and dry the water which is released by chicken. Cook the chicken well and add saffron essence and kevra essence for mouth-watering aroma. Cook until the chicken is softened, tender and completely cooked. In the end, add tamarind pulp and cook for 2 minutes just. Curry is ready. Take a heavy bottom pot, add 10 liter water and keep it on high flame. Add whole spices, chicken powder, vinegar, salt, mint leaves, green chili and green coriander and cover the lid until boils. Remove the lid and remove all whole spices and greens because they taste very bad during eat. Add cumin seeds and soaked basmati rice and half boil. Put milk in a cup and add color and kevra essence, saffron essence, biryani essence and rose water. Mix it well and keep it aside. When rice gets half boiled, then strain them and keep it aside. Layer half boiled rice evenly in single layer and put some chicken curry over the layer. Add 5 to 6 whole red chili, lemon slices, green chili, mint, 5 to 6 tablespoons of essence milk and 5 tablespoons of butter, ghee or cooking oil, whatever you want. Repeat this process for the second layer. Layering should finish with chicken curry and biryani topping. Wrap the lid well in a cotton cloth and cover it and keep it on high flame for 10 minutes and then low heat for 10 minutes. Remove the lid and gently puff up with fork. Biryani is ready.